Is your PC running slow? Are you tired of manually managing your PC's security features and updates? Microsoft has a solution for you. Introducing PC Manager. PC Manager is a powerful software from Microsoft designed to boost your PC's performance and security features. Although it's still in public beta, it's been getting rave reviews from users for its excellent performance. You can download it from the website by clicking the link in the description below. Installation is a breeze. PC Manager is only available for Windows 10 version 1809 and above, as well as Windows 11. And once installed, you'll see two tabs, Cleanup and Security. The Cleanup tab has a boost button that frees up RAM and speeds up your PC. You'll immediately see a drop in RAM usage in your Task Manager. In the Cleanup tab, you can also check your PC's health, manage running processes, manage storage, and manage startup apps, all in one place. In the Cleanup tab, you can check your PC's health and take action to fix problems that are slowing down your PC. The Manage Storage section currently redirects you to the Windows Settings App Storage Management area, as some features are unavailable at the moment. In the Running Processes area, you can see all the running applications and end any task that's slowing down your PC, just like in Task Manager. The Startup Apps section provides the same functionality as Task Manager's Startup tab. You can turn on and off startup applications to speed up your PC's boot time. The Security tab lets you scan your PC for viruses and clean them if found. You can also update Windows, protect your browser, and block pop-ups to ensure your PC stays secure. In the Windows Updates section, you can see what updates are pending and simply click to update your PC, just like in the Windows Settings app. The Browser Protection tab provides protection against malicious apps that can harm your PC while browsing the web. In the Pop-up Management section, you can control and manage pop-ups from different kinds of applications, giving you more control over your browsing experience. In the Security tab, you can scan your PC for viruses and malware with just one click. If any threats are found, you can take action immediately without having to go to the Windows Security app. Say goodbye to manually managing Windows Security app, Task Manager, and Update menu. With PC Manager, you can manage your PC's performance and security with ease. Download PC Manager now and experience a faster and more secure PC. If you found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below to stay updated on our latest videos. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our previous video on ChatGPT's extension for Google Chrome, which can help you get instant answers to your questions right in your browser. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.